Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Dr. Ayyaz Mahmood and I am working in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia for last 2 decades. All my children were born here and they got their education here in Saudi Arabia. Obviously FSC के बाद सबसे बड़ा हर्डल मेडिकल कॉलेज में दाखिले का है और उसके लिए जो मेन जो हर्डल क्रॉस करना होता है वो है एंटी टेस्ट का। तो उसकी प्रिपरेशन का यहाँ पे ओवरसीज़ में कोई ख़ास इंतज़ाम नहीं होता। आपके पास जो बुक्स होती हैं दीज आर दी ओनली रिसोर्सेज। तो इट वाज़ अ वेरी बिग इशू फॉर अस, फॉर माई एल्डर डॉटर। इट वाज़ द टाइम बिफोर कोविड 2019. So anyhow, someone told us about the top grade, we use it and we knock it. और मेरी जो बड़ी बेटी है she was able to get admission in Army Medical College. तो उसके बाद सेकेंड डॉटर है, उसके लिए भी हमने सेम प्रोसेस, we repeated the same. We use the top grade as our only resource other than the books available. In Army Medical College. Then we have done the same for my third daughter who was admitted last year in Lahore Medical and Dental College, a private medical college in Lahore. तो अभी चूँकि मज़ीद कोई मेरा बच्चा नहीं है जो डॉक्टर बनना चाहता हो, तो आई एम मेकिंग दिस वीडियो एज ए थैंक्स गिविंग वीडियो फॉर टॉप ग्रेड. आई एम रियली वेरी थैंकफुल for TopGrade and all the team during all this journey for my 3 kids for admission in medical college. And frankly speaking, after the school, actually the system here in Saudi Arabia is that the school is supporting you up to the FSC exam, and after FSC all your preparation, this is your personal effort. Whatever you want to do, you do. There is no specific institution or guideline available for preparation. And our main resource for all my 3 kids was the only top grade. And I am very thankful to top grade and all their staff, especially mentioning is Sir Talha, जिन्होंने हमेशा हमारी हेल्प की, हमें गाइड किया. So thank you very much top grade, thank you very much Sir Talha and all the staff. And I hope and I recommend that top grade will continue to serve the community, and I find it very comprehensive and one-stop solution, especially for overseas where already there are limited facilities available for anti-test preparation. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.
You can also download TopGrade app from Google Play Store or App Store. Visit www.topgrade.pk for more information. Contact the given numbers.